ran 70 for a little ways on the way up here. I had someone in the comments ask for a video of me cruising at 70. So there's one on there. This thing cruises really well at 70 also. Like 65 is like its highway, like 5th gear sweet spot. But I don't really shift into 5th until like just normal riding around 50. So 65 is like the sweet spot. 70 is fine. I ran pretty much 70 for about 25 miles the other day, there and back, and it did perfectly fine. So it'll run down the highway. You have no wind guard, so it's really it can wear you out after a while, you know. Do a little walk around. This is a beautiful spot. I don't know why this road was closed and then open where I came through, but there it is. 1,700 miles. Getting a little thin, obviously. Chicken strips. It's a dual sport. I try though. I'm also not really that experienced of a street bike rider, so it is what it is. Well, this is where I'm stopping to take me a Red Bull break.